the Galaxy S24 might bring an improvement with 65 watts charging, but it seems that won't be the case. Chinese variants of the Galaxy S24 series, including the Galaxy S24, S24 Plus, and S24 Ultra, have received certification in China, revealing that Samsung is not increasing the charging speeds for its upcoming flagship smartphones. According to the certification documents, the Galaxy S24 SMS 9210 will support 25 watts fast charging, 9 volt/2.77 ampere, similar to its predecessor, the Galaxy S23. The Galaxy S24 Plus, SMS 9260, and Galaxy S24 Ultra, SMS 9280, will be compatible with up to 45 watts fast charging, 11 volt/4.05 ampere. This means that the Galaxy S24 series is unlikely to charge any faster than the Galaxy S23 series, and users can expect a charging time of around an hour to go from 0 to 100%. Specifications for the Galaxy S24 series include a 4,000 mAh battery for the Galaxy S24, a 4,900 mAh battery for the Galaxy S24 Plus, and a 5,000 mAh battery for the Galaxy S24 Ultra. The choice between the Exynos 2400 processor and the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy chip will depend on the region, with China and the US potentially getting the Snapdragon version. All three models in the Galaxy S24 series are expected to feature 2,500 nit OLED screens, UHD plus LTPO 120Hz OLED displays, an IP68 rating, stereo speakers, 5G Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.3, NFC, and a USB Type-C port. They will come with Android 14 out of the box and may offer varying RAM and storage options, with the Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus starting at 12 GB RAM and 256 GB base storage, and the Galaxy S24 Ultra potentially going up to 16 GB RAM and 1 TB or 2 TB storage. Additionally, there may be a two-way satellite connectivity feature for emergency SOS on these devices. Thank you so much for joining me in this video. If you enjoyed what you saw, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below. Peace out.